If you've deleted an item in Sitecore and you need to restore it, don't panic. There's a quick way to get those items back into your content editor, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Open the Sitecore Launchpad and click Recycle Bin. You can also access this from the Sitecore Start menu. Once you're in the Recycle Bin, just select the item you want to restore and click Restore. You can also restore versions of the item by clicking the Show Versions checkbox and then restoring the version you're after. To permanently delete all items from the recycle bin, click the empty button in the top navigation bar, or if you just want to permanently delete one item, click Delete after you've selected the item.